Yeah, you know, the world has taken a different kind of step, but then human thing seems to be getting rare and rare. So it is really good when you reach out to your communities, reach out to the kids, reach out to the people with disabilities, reach out to people that need help. Like when it comes to sharing and then community reach out, less becomes the new more. So there's nothing that is enough and then there's nothing that is less. When you give out, it is really a good thing. Like it comes from the heart, and yeah, people remember you for that, and then the world will get to understand that there are people, so many people out there that really need help and attention. So this time around, we moved out, we reached out to the people, and we at least had fun and some to chat with our people, and